Okay? And okay, come on, toughen up. Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava, her name is Taylor, and she's obviously not here, so that means I'm doing a prank. I thought she was opening the door. I was like, no. You guys need to subscribe, like, comment, turn on your post notifications. Literally do it all for Starbucks. Literally, if you like Starbucks, you're gonna subscribe, you're gonna like, you're gonna comment, and you're gonna turn on your post notifications. And if you don't, then what a shame. Anyways, today I am doing the coughing up blood prank on my freaking twin sister. She had this coming. I have been telling her that I've been sick all day, like I haven't been feeling good. I've been feeling like I'm gonna like throw up, and literally I am so excited to do this. So basically I'm gonna sit down and I'm like, we're filming an intro, and I'm gonna have my water bottle. I'm gonna put the blood in the water bottle, and then I'm gonna drink out of it, and I have my water bottle with me everywhere so she won't think anything of it, and then I'm gonna cough up the blood.
Hey guys, I am just editing in my bed and I'm so pissed because I lost footage from me putting like the blood and like opening it into my water bottle. I must not have been recording. Oh, that's so annoying. But basically I ordered this like can of fake blood and then I poured it into my water bottle and put a little bit of water in it, and then then you'll see what I did after that.
So the camera's gonna be set up like here.
I just not feeling good at normal, so. Yay!
I cold heart. It hurts. Real bad. Gosh, I'm pretty. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's a brand new day.
Woo! I mean, hey!
Talk louder. Wait, one sec.
No, you cannot tell me to do that. No.
Yeah, Taylor, what is that about? Okay, 1, 2. I feel like I'm like not even in. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys. I just say it with you. Yeah, it will pass. We'll 1, 2, 3. Hey guys.
Why can't you say it?
I forgot. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey guys. So cool. Okay, I'm not talking for the intro. You are. No, you always want to talk.
I'm not for this video. I don't know what to say. So today,
Just say, hey guys, say subscribe and stuff, and then I'll say the video. Okay, so you guys should subscribe. You wanna know why? You wanna know why? Why? Because it will be the best thing that you will ever do in your life. Okay? It'll be just okay. You'll make our day. You'll make your day. It's a win-win situation. Okay? And oh my god! Help me! Mom, baby just coughed up blood. I need water. got it with me. Ow.
Mom doesn't even care.
I do so.
Ew, that's so gross.
Great.
Clean it up, Eva.
Here, I'll help you. God, my reaction. Ew, okay, we need to film the video. I'm sick.
I don't care. We're still filming.
But I'm sick.
We're still filming, Ava.
What are you doing? What do you mean?
We're still filming.
Okay.
I'm sick. So today we're telling you.
Taylor.
Clean it up. We're filming. I don't give a shit. Ava, God. Okay, come on, toughen up. Let's go. Ow, I'm covered in blood. I don't care.
And you, I'm covered in blood. Oh, I feel so sick. I need to lay down. I need to lay down.
Do you want to know what we call this? Okay. So Ava's stomach hurts. Ava, filming right now, Taylor. I don't care. I'm fine. I'll just I finally want to film, and now she's like incapable of filming. So I just coughed up blood, Taylor. I can see that. I coughed up so much blood. Oh my God. I can see
What does that
that
mean?
I don't know. Let's look up. Let's look it up. Oh, it's staining the table. So?
Oh my
It just stained
Okay,
the table.
what?
Oh, we're still recording? What happens when you cough up blood?
Oh, Ginger, you okay, honey?
I'm not stupid. I know this is a prank. Cough up blood. Hypothetics. God, on my foot!
My stomach really hurts.
Taylor. Okay.
Why are you laughing? I just coughed up blood.
I'm reading you! I'm reading the symptoms, okay? Okay, hypothetics. Okay,
No, hypothesis.
hypothesis. Okay, can be sign of serious medical condition, infects cancer and problems in the or in the lungs. Themselves can be responsible. Coughing up blood generally requires medical evaluation unless hypothetics is due to bronchitis. Okay, well, it looks like you have cancer, so you should probably go get your chemo done.
Oh, it really hurts.
Okay, well, why are you still recording? Ew, let me see your teeth.
It's on. It was a lot of blood.
That's so gross. Here, take some water.
I don't have any water in here. It's empty.
Okay, here. Let me... Okay, I'll just wait here until you get better.
What are you being? I'll just wait here until I get better. I just coughed out blood.
Okay, well, go talk to Mom about that, Eva. There's nothing I can do for you. God.
Wait, do you want some water?
Yeah.
Okay. No! Just drink it! Drink it! For the video! For the video! No, it's a really good tea. You'll like it. You'll like it, I swear. I swear! I swear you'll like it! Just drink it!
Okay.
You can't drink the blood. Bitch, I got you so good. Abe, I knew right away. I knew right away. You could see my face when you coughed up the blood. I knew when you coughed up the blood right away. You could see my face. I was like, oh my god, and then I knew instantly. Like, where did you get the blood? I just got it. Like, the trick to a good coloring. The trick to a good prank is using real blood. But I didn't have real blood. Cut yourself and get yourself. Period. Could have waited for your period, but it got in a cup or something. So we don't have to film that 10 habit video? No, we do. So guys, this over here, have you been feeling good this whole time, or is that
No,
just
honestly, I feel kind of
sick?
sick, but like I have been saying I've been feeling sick, so I thought it would be more believable.
Okay, I'm gonna get her back. It's just, you guys, I have such a good prank, but my prank requires for me to have the downstairs, and she's always upstairs. I mean, she's always downstairs. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe, like, comment, turn on your post notifications.
Go the whole deal.
And we will see you guys in our next video. But if you guys were new here, my name is Ava.
And as you guys can see, our mom didn't even care that Ava was coughing up blood. She was just like, nah.
I was wondering how you got the blood in your mouth and how you were talking.
Like, how the hell did she do that?
So then you thought it was kind of real.
Yeah.
You were like, maybe this
No,
could
but
be
when I
real.
did the Q-tip, I obviously knew that was fake.
How? You could not have
Yeah,
done
I
that.
could. And blood doesn't stain. Blood stains on clothes, not on like hard surfaces. So the trick to a good prank is use real blood.
If you guys are new here, my name is Ava. And my name is Taylor. And it's time for us to go. So
We're gonna piece the heck out of this bitch.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ew.